Let's create a budget. Let's get out of debt. Let's build wealth.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Now that we've been making these videos on the Roths, basically the videos on covered calls, I've been getting quite a few questions, so I'm gonna just do a general video on at least my thought process and the strategy that I'm using and how it works. So first, we buy 100 shares. So everything we're talking about, if I'm saying one contract or selling one of them, understand that it is 100 shares of a stock. So let's say there's a stock that costs $6. We're going to buy 100 shares. It's going to cost $600. First and most important thing that everyone needs to know, this value is going to go down. There's a 100% chance that it's going to go down. Now, it's going to go up also. So if it goes up to say 657, at some point, there's a 100% chance that it is going to come down. So we buy this stock at $6, it's going to cost us 600, and let's say that the price drops to 590. So the total value of our account is going to be $590. And if that price drops to 560, the total of that account is going to be $560. So yes, there's a $40 loss there. Well, and that's another term. It's realized gain and unrealized gain. If it's a realized gain, it means that the stock is sold. You actually sold it at 560, and you realized the loss of $40. If it's an unrealized gain, it just means it just happens to be whatever the value of the stock is at that time. And if you sold it, so it's unrealized, it means you lost 40, but it's not real unless you actually sell it. Once you sell it, it becomes realized gain. So when it comes to covered calls, right, we bought this at $600. We're going to expect to say that on average, we're going to receive $5 a week for this call. So the way we look at this is, so week one, we received the $5. Then let's say in week two that the stock dropped to 580. We're not going to care much about what the total that's happening over here. So this part of our account, whatever's going on right over here, whether the price is going up or down, we're not going to care much about that. All we care about is that whatever we paid that $600 for, is still paying us $5 every week. So if you look at the actual price on the left, that's going to fluctuate. We don't care. We're just wanting to get this $5 week after week after week. Now, you could look at it like, okay, if we bought it at $6 and the price dropped to 570, well, we only gained 5, 10, 15, 20, $25 for those 5 weeks. And if that price is at 570, then we kind of lost. So I kind of look at it like the left side and the right side. The left side is the cost of doing business, and the right side is just the income that business is producing. Now, while this price is fluctuating up and down, we don't care. Our goal is, at some point, it's going to hit back up at the $6 again. Once that does, all of this will be realized. So that's kind of the point, guys. I mean, as far as the fluctuation, and that's going to happen. It's just something that people who is doing this, this isn't made for everybody, but the people who are doing this, they understand that. They understand that the left side of this is going to fluctuate, but they're in it for that income, that weekly income or monthly income that it's producing on the right side. Guys, I hope you found value in this video. Like everything else in life, this Roth cover calls, the cover calls in itself and strategies, it goes on and on. There's so much to learn and so much to do with it. It can't be explained all in a video. So I might try to do these little videos in conjunction with the actual path to get into that 50K or the Roth videos. I might try to throw in some knowledge here and there to help people understand and see more about it, because like I said, it can get really, really complex. So basis of it, that's just what people need to know and understand, and that's what's going to help them to start growing their accounts. So again, if you found value in this, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.